Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp channel admin. So before we get started, make sure you have downloaded the WhatsApp, the latest version from your Play Store if you are on Android, and on App Store if you are on iPhone. So after you have made sure that you have downloaded the latest version, all you have to do is open the WhatsApp application. Alright, so here you can see our multiple chats. So what you can do to add the admin is go to the group chat, and here you can see this is our group chat. So if you want to add the admin to this channel, click on this group, and here you can see the 3 participants. So now let's add the admin. Alright, so to add the admin, all you have to do is scroll down, and here you can see the option for add participants. So by using this option you will be able to add different person in this group chat, and if you want to make that person the group chat admin after you have added, all you have to do is hold that person, and here you can see you can just click and hold, and here you can see the option for make group admin. So now all you have to do is click on this make group admin, and here you can see the person is now a group admin on this group. So yeah, and here you can see there are various other options as well. So that's basically how you can make group admin on WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.